The Northern Hairy-Nosed Wombat by Jess Connors.
The northern hairy-nosed wombat's scientific name is Lasiorhinus cresci, and the classification is as shown. This wombat is found in two different areas in Australia, both of which are found in Queensland. These sites are Epping Forest National Park and the Richard Underwood Nature Refuge. Epping Forest National Park is located in inland central Queensland. The Richard Underwood Nature Reserve is found in southern Queensland. This species of wombat digs burrows in deep sandy soils which are usually found in eucalypt woodlands. They live in hot climates which experience many droughts during the year. As all animals do, the northern hairy-nosed wombat has a niche in its surrounding ecosystem. These wombats are herbivores with their main foods including leaves from native plants, one example being buffelgrass. The wombat's shelter is a burrow which requires deep sandy soils for them to dig in. The northern hairy-nosed wombat is a nocturnal animal and only leaves their burrow for feeding. In the winter dry season they are active for up to 2 hours, and in the summer 6 hours because there is a larger amount of food. The wombat must compete for its food with cattle, sheep and rabbit all eating the same source of food, becoming the wombat's predator. The other predators that are found in the wombat's environment are dingoes, wild dogs and the red fox. The northern hairy-nosed wombat's food chain includes the buffelgrass, the producer, the wombat, the red fox and the dingo. This wombat's food web includes the buffelgrass and eucalypt leaves as the producers, and the wedge-tailed eagle, the powerful owl and the dingo being the tertiary consumers. If the northern hairy-nosed wombat becomes extinct, it will affect its food web dramatically. If this species becomes extinct, the wedge-tailed eagle, the dingo and the red fox will also decrease in population because wombats are the major food source for this animal. They will decrease in population because they won't have enough food to survive. This will also affect the animals that eat the eagle, dingo and fox because when they decrease, they'll leave other animals with no food as well. The gradual loss of food has a build-up effect on the animals in the wombat's ecosystem and environment. The species of wombat is declining in population because they must fight for their own food with animals such as sheep and cows. These animals eat the same food as the wombat, which results in not enough food for this animal and the animals dying of starvation. Another reason why this animal is decreasing in population is because of droughts in the area, also minimizing food for the wombat, and prey such as dingoes being the major predator. Hairy-nosed wombat is being protected in many ways. One example of this is the maintenance of a predator-proof fence which surrounds the Epping Forest. There is research being done on the wombats and fire management to protect this species. The Australian Zoo has made a breeding program to protect the wombat. This involves breeding the southern hairy-nosed wombat with the northern wombat to build up its numbers.